Hi guys, this is PJ Azurin, and for today we're gonna discuss about Thiojoke. How or what is the secret for him getting a 2 million subscriber? So I come across on a video on 2 million subscribers, and the title of the video is How to Get 2 million subscribers for Free by Thiojoke. As a celebration for his 2 million subscribers, he created a video tutorial on what he did so that he will be able to have that 2 million subscribers. What he said on that video is that, hey, not all YouTubers knows about this, and it is a kept secret by the Google or the YouTube staff only. And that you will only do this one time, and then once you uploaded the video that he instructed you to do, you may delete it afterwards once the YouTube already granted your request. So this is what he did from his 1 million to 2 million. The first YouTube tutorial for him to get the 1 million, it doesn't really apply to everybody. So for this, he created, or he provided a clear step-by-step on what to do so that you will be able to have 2 million subscribers. The first step is you need to create a video. You need to record a video, and you say, hey, what's your channel name? What's your channel all about, and how many subscribers do you want YouTube to grant you? So it's like, for example, for me, you will say, hey, I'm PJ Azurin, and my channel is all about music, food, and family, and I do conduct YouTube tips and tutorials, and I want to have 2 million subscribers. Once you recorded that, you need to title the video exactly the way he did so that it will be recognized by the YouTube algorithm itself. Okay? So on the title, you need to put channel name dash algorithmic boost request dash how many number of subscribers you want, and space hashtag YT boost request. For the description itself of the video, you can put anything about it, and YouTube will not read that. So for in my case, I will title it PJ Azurin dash algorithmic boost request dash 2 million, like for example, I want a 2 million subscribers, space hashtag YT boost request. And of course, once you upload it, you can upload it either unlisted or either public. So he recommend to put it publicly. And just wait for around 3 to 5 or 3 to 7 days in order for YouTube to be able to recognize or to read your request. And once you have requested, once that video has been recognized by YouTube, you will notice a uptick on your views as well, and uptick on the subscribers that will flow or be a traffic on your channel. Okay, I think that's it. And then for me, I will also try to make it, and I hope you will try it too. And good luck. I hope we can have the 2.51 million subscribers that Theo Joe already has. Okay, and just a note as well, by boosting your views, you need to make sure that you will be able to create a quality video, a value, or a video that has value, a video that people will be able to get some information or be entertained or can take away something up your video. So you need to upload not a trash video. And that's it. And I hope you will try it. And thank you so much for listening. And God bless everyone. This is PJ Azurin. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. And you can also click the join button so that you will be part of my Team Tugtugan channel. Okay?